The world is evolving at a fast pace, and our rural communities are at the heart of this evolution. Driven by farmers in the field, inspired by traditions rising with technology. Ushering into a new era of agriculture. And we at FMC, with the New Age Science, are partners with these New Age farmers. FMC has been serving to the farming community for 140 years across the globe and 50 years in India, with a robust portfolio of 70 products across 30 plus crops. With 5 major innovation centers globally, FMC invests 7% of its global revenue in R&D, which amounts to approximately 3,000 crore rupees in 2023 alone. FMC prides itself on the trust of millions of farmers across the country.
ಸೈಜಾ ಪಿಯರ್ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಅಂಶದಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಬೆನಿವಿಯಾ ನನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಅಡಿಪಾಯ, ಅಮೋಘ ಆರಂಭ, ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಫಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಮಹಾ ಇಳುವರಿ. ಬೆನಿವಿಯಾ ನನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತದೆಂದರೆ ಅದಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್.
రైనాక్సిఫర్ శక్తిగలైన ఫెటేరా వరిలో అధిక దిగుబడులు ఇస్తుంది. పచ్చని పొలాలు, బలమైన దుంపలు, 20 నుంచి 25 పిలకలు. ఫెటేరా సూపర్ హిట్, ఇదే నెంబర్ 1. ఫెటేరా ఏటేటా సాటి లేనిది.
గెజికో వరి పంటలో వచ్చు అగ్గి తెగులు మరియు పాంపడ తెగుల నుండి రక్షణ కల్పిస్తుంది. రక్షణే కాకుండా ఇది గింజ నాణ్యతను, అధిక షైనింగ్ను కూడా ఇస్తుంది.
रेनेक्स पियर वाला कोराजन पिछले कई वर्षों से मेरी गन्ने की फसल को सुरक्षित रख रहा है और मैंने जब से इस प्रोडक्ट को यूज किया है ये हर बार समय की कसौटी पर खरा उतरा है. इसीलिए तो माने है जन जन, सफलता की कुंजी है कोराजन.
जेनेट्रा ने मेरी कम जिंक वाली फसल को लहराते हुए खेतों में बदल दिया. कम खुराक में ज़्यादा जिंक देने वाला तरक्की का पिटारा जेनेट्रा.
This is just half of the story. We are tirelessly supporting our farmers with a robust R&D pipeline to meet their evolving needs.
15 साल बाद फाइलर्स माइनर का जवाब मिल गया. गुल्ली डंडा हुण तेरी खैर नहीं.
With a commitment to make agriculture more sustainable, we are extending our reach deep into the farming community with Project Utkarsh that lends a special focus on small landholders.
और FMC जो है कम से कम 5-6 बार मीटिंग लगाए, हर किसानों को निमंत्रण भी देती है, ये जानकारी भी देते हैं, प्लाट पे जाते हैं, देखने जाते हैं और हर चीज़ की दवाइयाँ या उचित उपाय बताते हैं. जो उनके हिसाब से दवाइयाँ उनकी जो हम डाला था तो हमको दिक्कत कम लग रही है, रोग भी कम आ रहा है.
Through stewardship programs, we remain committed to increase adoption of safe handling and application of crop protection products, ensuring that health of our farming families as well as their crops is secured. Project Madhushakti aims to inspire, train and empower women in rural hinterlands to adopt beekeeping as an entrepreneurial business to promote their financial independence, household support and contribution to rural economy. Through Project Samarth, we continue to deliver clean drinking water to rural households. With an eye on empowering the next generations, we are partnering with premier educational institutes to provide scholarships to MSc and PhD students, 50% of which are reserved for women.
I am very fortunate that I am one of the students to receive this FMC Science Leadership Fellowship. Rather than restricting to one region, I have been visiting many places within India and collecting the samples of the fall armyworm. I'll be able to finish my research work at a high quality rate, and further which helps me to publish my research papers in a high NAS rated journals. Overall helps me in achieving my dreams.
The evolving future seeks new solutions. We at FMC are excited to bring the power of science to farmers and their future generations. FMC is making spray services available via Arc Farm Intelligence app to everyone with just a tap on the phone. Using real-time field insights, farmers can also monitor pest pressure on Arc Farm Intelligence app. New age science is here for every new age farmer.
FMC सोबत घंट्याचं काम मिनिटामध्ये होत आहेत. जग बदलत आहेत, आपण बी बदलत आहोत.